Hello everyone, it's your girl Kira Rosati and I'm back with this dramatic smoky black and pink Valentine's Day sleigh. Now there are some of you who like to keep it simple and dainty, and then you know I have my drama bitches out there who don't like to keep it light. So here, as you can see, I have this very smoky pink and black eye. A lot of you like when I do my smoky eye, so I wanted to bring you a quick little tutorial, and it's very easy to follow along. You don't have to use the exact products I use. You can use any of your own. You can change the pink to another color, but I wanted to do something more so on the Valentine's Day side using pink, and I also wanted to keep it very dramatic. I'm wearing this pretty little wrap shirt that I got from Fashion Nova. I don't remember what it's called, but I thought it was so pretty when I got it. This would be really cute with a pair of high-waist jeans or whatever. I've worn it one time and I just think it's so cute. But you have to be very confident and comfortable when you wear it, because show the girls, you feel me? It'll be very pretty and sexy with your boo for Valentine's Day. Okay. All right, so whatever your Valentine's Day plans are, whether you're going on a date with your boo, you know, going to the movies, going to dinner, whatever the occasion is, just wanted to bring you a nice dramatic look. Now me, I'll be in the house with my wine and Netflix. I don't have a boo to take me on Valentine's Day, and guess what? I'm perfectly okay with that. I'm a bad single bitch, you feel me? LOL, no, let me stop playing. But yeah, regardless of what your plans are for the night, I just wanted to give you a nice glam look that you can have fun with, be dramatic, make memories, looks great in pictures. Now, I did already have my base done, so foundation, highlight, contour, all of that. I'm just gonna focus on eyes, so this won't be too long. So if you want to see how to do this dramatic smoky look, stay tuned. All right, so of course you know we're going to be going in with our Morphe times James Charles palette. You already know, my favorite. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is our transition shade. I'm going to use this light pink shade here. It's called Pinkity Drinkity. So I'm just going to take my Luxie blending brush, going to get a nice coat on my brush, dab off the extra. I'm going to start right in the inner corner. We're going to work our way to the outer corner. And excuse my eyebrows, I try to conceal them as much as possible, but I'm not one of those women that actually go and get them arched. I pluck them or arch them with the archer when they get too bushy, and I just honestly haven't gotten around to do it. Please forgive me, darlings. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. So in the inner corner, and take that right above the crease and blend as you're going along, like so. And in case your transition color ever gets too harsh, I like to take a brown that's close to my skin color and just blend right over it, because again, we don't want any harsh lines. No harsh lines, darling. We don't do any of that. That's for you basic hoes who haven't learned how to blend. Just kidding. That's what Kira's here for. Now I want to get a little bit more of that transition shade on, so I'm going to go right back over there, and it looks nice and soft. You don't want anything too harsh. The harshest thing will be our black that we'll end with in a few moments here. Take that back and forth using the flattest side in a light sweeping motion. That's how you're able to blend. And once you get your desired coverage, that's when you can stop. Never take it too close to the brow. Okay? And that's looking quite marvelous. Next, I'm going to go in with this bright fuchsia pinkish color. I feel like the color is not coming off the way it is on camera, but it's very bright, very electric. I'm going to take that next with the same brush. Just going to coat my brush like so. Tap off the excess and take that. You want to go directly in the crease. We don't want to take it above the transition, but right below it, but still above the crease, like so. That's how you get that gradient effect when you're doing your shadow, and that's how you blend correctly. Everything is like a gradient, not too harsh. Remember to do sweeping motions back and forth. That way you're getting an even consistency from inner corner to outer corner. So we have that. I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. And remember, if you feel like it's too harsh, take the transition shade and go back over it. So again, I want to make sure I have an even consistency. So I'm going to go back in with Pinkity Drinkity on that same brush. You can tell in the palette starts to get used and abused. And I'm going to go right above it like so, just to lighten it up a little bit and get rid of those harsh edges, like so. See that gradient effect? I'm gonna go back in with Skip just to deepen up that electric pink color, like so. Okay, same thing with the other eye. Getting there, getting there. And I'm going to take a glance into my mirror just to make sure that, oh yes, darling, this is looking mighty fine. Yes, baby, yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. All right, moving on. Moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. All right. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is called Love That. It's like a mixture of pink and purple. It's this shade here. And I'm going with this e.l.f. brush. This thing is definitely using the abuse. Can't even tell you what kind it is. But it's like a very dense, compact blending brush, more so for precision in the crease. So we're just going to get a nice even coat on that. And this thing picks up a lot of pigment, so you got to be sure to dab some of that out. And we're going to go right up in here, right in the crease directly, right in the crease directly to darken it up, right there. When you have your eye all the way open, you want to be able to see the darkness right there. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the other eye. We're going to take that same Luxie brush that we used to blend. We're not going to add any additional product, but just simply blend that out like so. Now I'm going to take this flat brush here. It's by Eco Tools. You can already see some black on it because I love a good Smokey. And we're just going to take it into the black shade, and then this color here is like black. This is in shade Spooky. James chose the perfect name, but we're just gonna build some up, tapping out the excess, build some up, and we're simply just gonna go in our way with this, and we're gonna put it on the lid and slowly blend it out into the crease slightly, like so. And we're going to pull down to blend those colors and create more of a gradient effect. Pull down. Pull down. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. But don't worry, we're going to come back and build it up. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye, baby. We're going to take that same blending brush and go between each color, or the black and the dark pink we put in the middle, and simply blend those two together like so. And that's what's creating that smoky effect. I'm going to go back in for a second layer of black. And what I'm going to do is go back into that dark pink color we used in the crease, called Love That, with that dense blending brush. Once more. All right, it's looking good. I'll let you get a closer look. All right, now for my favorite part, eyeliner. Oh, but I need my bling. Ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out. All right, let's get to it. Now we're going to take a black eyeliner and go in on the bottom line, like so. And you know, the bottom line is the only time when I use a pencil. I do not use at the top. I don't like how it looks at the top. It doesn't give me enough precision. Now I'm going to take a small dense brush. This is by Ruby. Looks like so. I'm going to go back into Skip, that electric pink color. And blend out this bottom line. But of course, we're going to my infamous BH Bliss Lash. And we're going to put some mascara on. I'm going to use these lashes I ordered from AliExpress. It's by a brand called Marisdel. I might have said it all wrong, but check it out. These what it's called. And I'm going to use the ones I already used when I used the brand new Pet Sweetheart lashes. I'll go for up to about 25 times. So, let me just get my glue. And we're going to glue these lashes. While my lashes are drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm using the LA Girl Lip Liner Natural Cream, and this is in shade. Good question. It doesn't have a shade, it just has a number. Interesting. But it's like a caramel color. Caramel, caramel, whatever. Potato, tomato, tomato. Very, very light. You might not see it that much, but I'm gonna prep it for this lipstick. Ooh. Just to balance out the darkness on my lips. This is the Remo London Kate line. Sorry, the sun is just shining. That's what it looks like. And this just says 47, but it's like a mauve nude. Like so. And you can use any lipstick color that you want, only though when you're using when you have a dramatic eye, it's best to do a subtle lip, like a nude, a gloss, something that's not too harsh, because then you just kind of look crazy. So I always recommend using something close to your lip color. The lashes should be ready. Now normally I would use tweezers, but I can't seem to find them. So guess what? God gave us fingers and we're using them. could stop right there, but you know I'm a dramatic bitch. I already have on highlighter, but I definitely like to have some more. This is the Glamour Dolls times Lisa Frank Stargazing Shimmer Eyeshadow. And it's a gold, but it serves as a poppin' ass highlight. So I'm just gonna take my fan brush by Morphe and get into this. And you thought we were done there? No, sweetheart. I got that crenag. Yeah, I got crenag. Got that crenag. Yeah, I got crenag. So I'm just gonna add some glitter sparkles to my inner corner. I'm just gonna do a couple hits right up in here. I'm just gonna take a couple sparkles on this little brush here and put this on my inner corner, like so. And this, my darlings, is the final look.